Removing a logo in Premiere Pro, try not to do this unethically. Okay, we've got this clip, it's got a logo on it, we want to remove it. Alt-drag your clip upwards, click on your clip, come to your effect controls and click on this. You want to drag this into a position where you can use that bit to mask the other bit. And then move it into position using these. This will only work on still videos, on tripods or animations like this with a background that doesn't move. Subscribe for more.